Hello students, welcome to Max class. Today we will do chapter checkup of chapter 2nd, addition and subtraction on page 44. So the first question is solve the following questions. Here we have to add 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 we will put as carry in the tens place. 6 we will write here. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 1 carry. 3 we will write in tens place. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 7 is 8. So the answer is 8,836. In second question, we have to add. So 0 plus 6. If any number we add to 0, the answer will be the same number. So 0 plus 6 is 6. 1 plus 8 is 9. 0 plus 3, 3. 6 plus 4 is 10. So the answer is 10,396. Question C, we have to subtract. So first we will start from the ones place first. 0 minus 4. We can't subtract 0 minus 4, so we will borrow. We will borrow from this number, but here it is already 0. So this will borrow from this number. Here it is 9 because this number has given one number to this number. इसने अपना एक number इसको दे दिया था. So we are writing 9 here. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2,126. Question D. We have to subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. 0 minus 5 we can't subtract. So we will borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. We can't subtract 0 minus 3, so we will borrow. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 9 is 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is 30,753. Fill in the boxes. We have to fill the boxes. Okay. So here we have to add. In addition, we know that we start from the ones place first. So we will solve this first. 8 plus dash is equals to 6. Look here, 8 plus dash is equals to 6. 6 is small. तो 8 से ऐसा कौन सा नंबर ऐड किया है कि हमारा 6 आ रहा है? This 6 will be 16 because क्योंकि ये देखो ये छोटा है, so ये 16 है. क्यों? क्योंकि 1 इधर कैरी गया है. 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. How we have find 8 here because we have subtracted 16 minus 8. इधर देखो 16 minus 8 करेंगे तब हमारा आंसर 8 आएगा. अब यहाँ देखो 1 plus 8 is 9 and here 0. 0 है मतलब आगे आंसर 10 होगा, तभी 1 कैरी गया होगा. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1, which number is 10? 9 plus 1 is 10. इधर देखो 8 plus 1 9 होता है और 9 को 10 बनाने के लिए हमने 1 ऐड करना है. सो 1 कैरी 1 plus 9 is 10 but here it is 1. 1 मतलब यहाँ 11 है. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 10 plus 1 करेंगे तब 11 होगा. 1 कैरी 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus क्या करेंगे कि हमारा 7 आए? 4 5 6 7 4. Question B, we have to subtract. We will start from the ones place. 5 minus which number is 2? 5 minus क्या करने से 2 आएगा? 5 minus 3. कैसे करेंगे ये? 5 minus 2 करेंगे तो आंसर 3 आएगा. अब यहाँ देखो 0 minus dash is equals to 3. 0 minus क्या करेंगे तो 3 आएगा. 0 minus हम कर नहीं सकते, so we will borrow from this number. 10 minus which number is 3? 10 में से हम क्या subtract करेंगे कि आंसर 3 है. So to find this we can subtract 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Here 1 minus dash is equals to 3. Again we can't subtract anything from 1. देखो 1 में से ऐसा कुछ subtract होके 3 नहीं हो सकता है. So we will borrow from this number. Okay, 11 minus which number is 3? 11 minus 3 करके हम ये पता कर लेंगे. 3 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. And here we have to subtract one number because this number has given one number to this number. 5 plus 3 is 8. To find this, we will add these two numbers. 5 plus 3 8 होता है और 8 इसने इसको एक दे दिया था तो 9. So the answer is 9. Okay. Question C. We have to add. So we'll start from the ones place. Dash plus 9 is equals to 5. ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जो 9 से ऐड कर रहे हैं कि हमारा आंसर 5 आए. लुक हियर, 9 बड़ा है 5 से, तो 5 तो होगा नहीं, ये 15 होगा, 1 कैरी होगा. ओके, सो टू फाइंड दिस सब्ट्रैक्ट 9 from 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. We have to add 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 carry. Here we don't know this number. First we'll add these both numbers. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 5 plus which number is 6? 5 plus 1 is 6. Now to find this, we'll subtract this from this. 7 minus 2 is 5. Now we will do the word problems. Question 3, solve. Question A. At its deepest, the Indian Ocean is 7,125 meter. The Pacific Ocean is 3,799 meter deeper than that. How deep is the Pacific Ocean? इसका मतलब ये है कि इंडियन ओशन 7,125 मीटर डीप है और पैसिफिक ओशन इंडियन ओशन से 3,799 मीटर और डीप है. तो पैसिफिक ओशन कितना डीप है? So the information given is the Indian Ocean is 7,125 मीटर डीप और पैसिफिक ओशन इससे इंडियन ओशन से 3,799 मीटर और डीप है. तो पैसिफिक ओशन कितना डीप है? लुक हियर, ये इससे ज्यादा डीप है, मतलब हमें ऐड करना है क्योंकि वो उससे भी मोर मतलब ज्यादा है. सो डेप्थ ऑफ द Indian Ocean, depth of the Indian Ocean is 7,125 meter. Depth of Pacific Ocean more than Indian Ocean, मतलब Indian Ocean से ज्यादा है. सो इंडियन ओशन से कितना ज्यादा डीप है पैसिफिक ओशन? 3,799 मीटर. So now we have to find the depth of the Pacific Ocean. पैसिफिक ओशन की डेप्थ फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमें क्या करना है? हमें दोनों को ऐड करना है. क्यों? क्योंकि 7,125 मीटर है और उससे 3,799 मीटर ज्यादा डीप है. सो फर्स्ट विल अरेंज द नंबर्स प्रॉपरली. Now we will add 5 plus 9 is 14, 1, 4. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 9, 12. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, 9. And 7 plus 3 is 10. So the answer is 10,924 meter. So the depth of the Pacific Ocean is 10,924 meter. So now we will do question D. A machine that drills for oil has drilled up to 1,854 meter. इसका मतलब ये है कि एक मशीन जो ऑयल के लिए ड्रिल करती है उसने 1,854 मीटर ड्रिल कर लिया है. हाउ मच फर्दर मस्ट इट गो टू रीच अ डेप्थ ऑफ 6,931 मीटर. उन्हें टोटल 6,931 मीटर ड्रिल करने के लिए और कितना ड्रिलिंग करना है. सो लुक हियर, दिस इज ऑलरेडी ड्रिल्ड एंड दे हैव टू रीच दिस. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट हाउ मच they have to drill more. So we will subtract. depth already drilled. So 1854 meter is already drilled. Total depth to be drilled is, उन्हें टोटल कितना ड्रिल करना है? 6,931 meter. Depth more to be drilled. To reach 6,931 मीटर. उन्हें 6,931 मीटर ड्रिल करने के लिए और कितना ड्रिल करना है? So 6,931 minus 1,854. We will subtract. First we will arrange the numbers properly. 6,931 minus 1 minus 4 we can't subtract, so we will borrow. 11 minus 4 is 7. 2 minus 5 we can't subtract. 12 minus 5. So 5,077 more meter is to be drilled to reach a depth of 6,931 meter. Now we will solve question C. Vijay buys a shirt for 189.75 rupees and Ashok buys a shirt for rupees 210. How much more does Ashok spend? Vijay एक शर्ट खरीदता है for 189.75 rupees and Ashok खरीदता है 210 rupees में. How much more does Ashok spend? So look here, Vijay 189.75 और अशोक 210. अशोक ज्यादा पैसे खर्चता है 210 rupees. This is more than 189.75. So अब हमें ये पता करना है how much more does अशोक spend. अशोक कितने ज्यादा पैसे खर्चा है? Money Vijay spent on shirt. So 189.75. Money Ashok spent on shirt is equals to rupees 210. So how much? So now we have to find out how much more money does Ashok spend. Money Ashok spent more than Vijay. To find this we have to subtract, क्योंकि हमें पता करना है कि अशोक ने कितने ज्यादा रुपए खर्च किए. 210 minus 189.75. So first we will arrange these numbers. Look here, we'll put 2 zeros and here 75. 210.00 minus 189.75. We can't subtract 0 minus 5, so we will borrow. Ten minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 9 0. 10 minus 8 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So Ashok spent rupees 20.25 more than Vijay. We will do question 4. This is the bill. Ice cream rupees 12.50 paise. Pastry rupees 18.25. Chips 9.75. Biscuits 15 rupees. So now we have to find the total. जब भी हम बाजार जाते हैं, whenever we go to any shop and we buy things, first we'll find the total bill कि कितने रुपए हुए हैं total. So we will start from here. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, and 10 plus 0 is 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, and 15 plus 0 is 15. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 9, 20, 20 plus 5 is 25. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So the total bill is 55.50 paise. Now, how much money is paid? Rupees 100, and now we have to find the balance. So first we will write rupees 100 because 100 rupees diye hai, and total bill is 55.50 paise. So we will arrange it properly. 50 we will write here. 55.50. So to find the balance, to find the amount of change, we will subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5, we can't subtract 0 minus 5, so we will borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. So the balance is rupees 44.50 paise. So now we have completed chapter checkup. Look here, keeping in touch. Write the following numbers using Roman numerals. To write 19, how we will write 19? X is 10, 1x is 9. 24, so first we will write 20, 10, 10 and 4. This is how we write 4. 37, 10, 20, 30. This is 5, 6, 7. So with this we have completed chapter checkup. Thank you.